Assalamualaikum boys and girls, and we are back once again with another video. In this video I will tell you how you can download Resident Evil Requiem the original way, YouTube the original way. So let's get to the PC screen. So head over to Google and there will be a link in the description or the pinned comment of this Mediafire file link. You can also, if you want, just screenshot it and ask ChatGPT to give you this link. Click on this download button and then your download should start, as you guys can see, like this. Click on save. Mine already downloaded. I'm not gonna click save. Click this add, and you also need another thing, either uTorrent, either internet download manager or free download manager. Okay, so I have free download manager. Let's open that free download manager. So there you go. It should look like this. You have to click on this plus icon, then go to this browse icon, and then where you download this Resident Evil Requiem torrent file, click on this, click on open, and then wherever you want to download, select like this and then click on download. Once it's finished downloading, it should look like this. You should have a setup file and some more game files. Double click on the setup file, click on yes, and then it will say English or whatever language you want. Okay of this. If you have low RAM, you can click on this limit installer. It will only use 2 GB RAM. If you have more RAM like 8 16 or 32, you can just uncheck it. Click on next, click on next, and you can also use this to change the installing location. Click on next, then you can also check these and click on install. Once its installation is finished, there will be a shortcut on the desktop like this, Resident Evil Requiem. So we are not finished here. How are you going to open it? Double click on it and then click yes, and then it will ask you this hypervisor launcher by FitGirl. So you have to click on this first one, run VBS command, and then click on this one, and then there will be this option 1 to continue, 3 to revert change. You have to put click 1, and then it will check some system files, or I don't know what it does. Okay, so once it's finished, you have to click 1 on your keyboard to restart your PC, and then during restart, when your PC is turning on, you have to press F7 to like disable something, disable DSE. So let's just quickly do that. Okay, so our PC restarted now. What you have to do is last step, double click on the installer, click on yes, and also you have to go to your threat protection, this, and then go manage setting, and then turn off this real-time protection. It will like mess up with the game file, so just cross it. And now you have to click on this second, play this game. Done. Now your game should load up if you done all the steps correctly. There you go. Our game is open, as you guys can see, Resident Evil Requiem. You can click on main story and whatever if you want to play game. There you go. Our game is, as you guys can see, running. So now another little thing, once you are finished with your game, you played your game for the day or something, you will get this pop-up: the game has been closed, please revert to security feature changes via VBS. So now what you are going to do, if you finish a game or going to like shut down your PC, you have to click this 3, click this, and then you have to click continue. It will revert back every changes, not continue 3. You have to press 3 on your keyboard, and it will revert every changes, like it does like disable something in your system, it will revert back that thing. So now click on 3, revert changes, and then turn on your security system. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. If this video helped you in any way, please make sure to like the video, subscribe the channel, and share the video. I will meet you guys in the next one. Till then, peace.